Right now, I'm here in Rochester Condominium, located here in Pasig City. This customer, right now, with a brand new Ford Explorer, and actually searched from the US, and he saw my videos, and he saw the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. That's why we installed it here right now. The unit and cables already installed in the vehicle, and he was satisfied for the service. Especially what he requested is the rear camera. He wanted to put it inside. It's already attached there. Then I will show you around the outcome of the installation, and then later I will show to the customer how to use the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. And actually, at the beginning, he was very satisfied when we tested out. He was very happy with the features and the quality of the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. Stay tuned. The rear cam is on. As you see, the cables are all organized, and you will not see any cables or wires hanging out. And you will see it on the back side, the rear camera attached on the upper part, rear panel of the fifth door of the Ford Explorer. You will see the beauty of the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. Even the rear camera is attached inside. The recording is still fine. Imagine with the 3M very dark tint. And by the way, for the front shield, a windshield, the Ford Explorer has light 3M tint. That's why it almost maximizes the quality of the front lens. The front cam. So the rear camera attached inside the Ford Explorer. That's the home screen for taking pictures, for the playback of the front and rear camera, also for the pictures taken for the front and rear, and the adjustment or the configuration you will see in the setting. So you will see the quality with the 3M dark tint for the Ford Explorer, still fine because of the full HD or 1080p resolution of the Lenovo Dashcam, and also for the front cam. The quality is very nice. The customer tested out, just driving a little bit here in the area. So you will see the quality of the front cam and also of the rear camera. It's very nice because of the full HD, the 1080p resolution for both lenses. That's the rear camera of the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo, attached inside of the Ford Explorer. Thank you for availing the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. Sorry to bother you. I just want to ask you a few questions. First of all, what have you observed with the specs and features and the quality of the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo?
Well, I can say that I'm very impressed with the quality. I've been really looking for a dash cam for at least a month now, just shopping around, and I can say that this is the best one that I've found.
Wow, thank you.
I'm really glad that I ran into Roy.
Thank you.
If you guys are looking for a high quality camera, fast and reliable service, get a Roy.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yes, sir. For the last question, what have you observed for the the cable and wiring installation for your Ford Explorer?
It's really clean. Roy
Thank you, sir. So we hear from this customer from Pasig City, and for all of the posts we have, you've seen our videos. So all you know how we can contact. All of our numbers already posted, and in this post, the post that I'm going to do for today, I'll also include the link for the YouTube of the All About Hype, which is I already made the channel last year, but this year we're starting to boost or uploading videos of All About Hype over there. So all you have to do, just click the link and you will see the videos of All About Hype, especially the Supreme Dashcam Lenovo installation. I put a playlist on the YouTube channel of All About Hype. You will see all of the customers there for this Supreme Dashcam Lenovo. For all of the viewers, thank you again for watching, and see you for the next customer. Thank you.